Planning a new connection, upgrade, or relocating your service? You've got two options, overhead or underground mains. Both work, but each has its pros and cons. So which one's right for you? Let's break it down. Overhead mains are more affordable upfront and faster to install. They're easier to access for maintenance, and they're a solid choice for rural areas or where appearance isn't a major concern. But they're exposed. Storms, falling branches, and high winds can damage overhead cables. And visually, they don't suit every property. Underground mains, on the other hand, are hidden from view. They're safer, look cleaner, and are required for most new builds and premium renovations. You'll avoid storm damage, and they can add value to your property. The downside? They cost more to install, require trenching, and are trickier to access if something ever needs repair. So what's the best choice? If you're working with a tight budget and don't mind visible cabling, overhead might be the way to go. If you want something modern, safe, and low maintenance long term, underground is often worth the investment. At High Demand Electrical, we install both, fully compliant with ACE 3000 and SIR NSW. We'll assess your site, handle all network approvals, and get you safely connected. Still unsure? Give us a call. We'll help you choose what's right for your property. High Demand Electrical. Overhead or underground, we make it simple.